Good morning, everyone. My name is Anushidash. I would like to speak some lines about Christmas festival. First of all, I would like to say a lots of thanks to my class teacher for giving me this opportunity. Christmas is celebrated in 25th December. This is the birthday of Jesus Christ. We all believed that Jesus Christ is the Son of God. At Christmas, we all decorate the Xmas tree with chocolates, lights, cards, even some gifts. Santa Claus will come and give all the houses gifts. We all stay happily. I hope you all like my beautiful Christmas festival speech. And the last thing for this whole Christmas festival and for my friends, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Bye my Christmas festival friends.